Hey my loves, back with another video. This is a Glitter Girls collab, and this is reverse stamping. So I forgot to record my video, so I'm gonna show you guys the finished product and I'm gonna show you everything I used. Okay, so here they are, fabulous as they are. Don't forget to check the other ladies out. I will leave the link in the description box and in the comments below. As you can see, the beautiful nails. This is reverse stamping. Okay, so I'm about to go over this with you guys. Okay, so I used the Vanillisa for the underneath for the white. I used the Born Pretty for the outline of the stamping. Okay, so for this one, I used Your Sugar stamping polish for the yellow, and I used the Born Pretty purple for this part right here. And this right here, I just used the I just used this brush right here, this Beetles one right here. Simple, super simple. I thought it said Beetles on it. Oh, there it go. I used that for that, and I put a little rhinestone. And this is the purple I used. It's Beetles number 620. And let's go to this nail. I used the same Beetles 620 purple one for this right here. And then for the orange that's in here, I used mefa. I used number 4. You can scan it if you want to. And I also used, for the pink, I used mefa number 5. And for the butterfly, I used the Beetles gel polish number 619. I can't tell you what collection this is from because I really don't remember. It must be spring and the summer. I could be wrong. But yeah, that's so very cute and beautiful. So for the butterfly, the orange is actually this one right here. Oops, my bad. It's this one right here, number 618. The third nail is number 638. That's the orange right there, as you can see. And this is the purple I used. I used the other Beetles one. This right here, number 620. That one made that one very simple. And the frog right here, that is number 631. This is the spring and the summer collection, I believe. And I used the pink. I used a combination of both Beetles, pink and mefa, and mixed together. And the green is for the little baby frog, which is so, so cute. And I also want to tell you guys that with the gel polish, I used, I watched Karina Nail Designs. I think I got her name right, but I could be wrong. I'll put it up in the picture for you guys. But I watched one of her videos. She did it with gel. And I'm going to show you what I used. I used this stamping plate, the Beauty Big Bang XL, number 96. I did a little haul on this earlier, so you guys check that out. I cannot tell which one I used. It's in there somewhere. And over here, I used some of these right here, which is pretty cute. And there's the frog and everything. You guys, I attempted to try this like 50 times. Like, seriously, it's really hard. It's a learning curve. So if you ever do this, please make sure the gel is not thick, because you don't want it lumpy and thick when you lay it down, because it will do this. Like this one right here is starting to lift up, as you can see a little bit. But as you can see, the colors are very vibrant compared to this one. Yeah, so you got to put on a really thin layer, and the color will like separate because it's on something that's a soft surface that's smooth. So you just keep rubbing it around and it actually work. But I will leave her name below so you guys go to her video and watch it. But I really wish I recorded this, you guys. But I hope you guys like it. And I will catch you in the next one. Don't forget to check out the other ladies as well with their beautiful artwork. I had so much fun doing reverse stamping. It was a challenge, but I also liked it. I enjoyed it a lot. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next collab. Bye.